Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set Shopify footer menu. So to set up a footer menu in Shopify, you will need us first to create or edit the footer menu. So you all need to go to the Shopify admin just right here and then just go and click on the online store and sales channel, okay, or channels. So click it on the left hand menu and now just go ahead and go with an option. It says right here, well, find it once subscribed to the Shopify, you will find it says navigation. Okay, so once you click on navigation, you will need to click on the footer menu or create a new menu if your theme uses a custom footer or footer menu. Then just click add menu item and enter the name, for example, about us, contact, FAQ, etc. and a link. So just select a page, collection, products, or URL. And then just repeat for all the links you want, then click save. And then you will need to connect the menu to your footer. So to do that, you will need to know that most Shopify themes automatically use the footer menu. So if not, you will need just to go to the online store right here and then just go with edit theme. And here you will need to open the footer section and then just look for a menu or footer menu settings that you can actually find at right here. And then select the menu created and save changes. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.